weighs 20 or 30 pounds and has a mouth full of razor sharp teeth. An alligator gar, what else? This thing ate a half of an eel that I was fishing for big catfish. Unbelievable. Don't usually catch those things. They're pretty hard to hook, but he's managed to wrap that 50-pound braid around his snout 4 or 5 times and tangled it up with the circle hook too. So he's on there pretty good. That is just a monster. So I gotta figure out how to get him up here on the dock. We gotta find a piece of rope and lasso his snout. He's still got some kick in him there. I'm waiting for him to get tired. Gonna play cowboy here and lasso his snout with a piece of rope. That's the only way I can figure to get him up here on the dock without him going crazy. Alright, so I got him up here. Get a little closer look at him. Figure out what we got to do to release him. He's wrapped up pretty good there. This thing's just a monster. What a fight. Thrashing around like a deer. Just like a deer swimming in the water. Splish splash. Thanks for watching.